Okay, so here comes the DSP dual status bar model. For this one is actually model for a lot of devices, by the way, or maybe almost every device if you're using Pixel Experience custom ROM. If you're using Pixel Experience or Pixel Experience Plus, you can install this dual status bar on your device. If you're using with March security patch, if you're using April security patch, or if you're using latest May security patch, the link for all of these files is in the description. I'm gonna show you that how you can install this module in your device and everything. So first of all, I've just removed the module from my device to show you the exact steps what we're gonna follow right now. Make sure your Magisk installed. Always the latest version is recommended for you, but if you're using any other version 21.4, 21, 22, or maybe the latest version 23, this should be compatible with your device. But the thing is, always the latest version is recommended. And if your latest version installed, how you can install that module? If you go here and you will find a lot of modules, but unfortunately it's actually a third-party module, so cannot be installed from inbuilt Magisk. You need to install from storage, and the link for the file is in the description as I previously mentioned you. Click on install from storage, you will find the file there. Maybe if you have location already enabled for you, you can find out that. Now the main thing is how to install this. As I previously mentioned, it's just quite easy. Click on this and it will be installed on your device very easily without any issues. All the credits goes to its developer, and the thing is, installation will take approximately 5 to 10 seconds, maybe little bit more, but it's not the big issue. You need to stay here. It will take some little bit of seconds, as you can see on the screen. After the installation is finished, as you already know, you simply need to reboot your device once, and after the reboot you will see the module will be enabled and it would be done. Also, if you have any things that how it will be uninstalled, of course you can uninstall from Magisk. And if you're having any kind of boot loop related issues, then make sure to have proper knowledge before installing this, because after installation you can simply move on to custom recovery, uninstall that module. But I will try to show you the process in my upcoming videos. We've just installed this on our device and rebooted, and as you can see in my status bar, we have the dual status bar enabled. But the thing is, it has some padding issues, some little bit of issues like height related issues. How you can overcome this? If you also face this issue, you simply need to move on to your developer options. Just don't ask me how to enable this, make sure you know. And here you will see the display cutout section. You will see some extra options: biggest, small, bigger, biggest, big. Just try out according to your preference. First of all, we're going to try medium. As you can see, it doesn't fit on our device. We can try out the other thing, for example the bigger, and now it's just working perfectly fine. It's just up to you which device you're using. But this is all from today's video. Link is in the description. It was quite easy, a very good module. Make sure to try out. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.